Hi, I'm Karen and I'm a consultant in Victoria, Australia. I hope that you've enjoyed having a look at what I did with my sketch that I was given. I've been a consultant since 2002 when I fell in love with the whole concept of doing albums, which has pretty much taken over the spare room. My sons call this the album room because I have so many albums. What you can see behind me is only a small portion. The other side of the wall is full as well. It's what you could say, I've got a bit of a problem. Anyway, I love doing them and I love creating memories for the boys so that they can look back over them. I love pulling out my holiday albums and looking through those because the photos are what gives us back our memories, and you remember the times and everything else. Everything that we've taught all of our customers over the years is exactly why I still do what I do. I've always been a little bit apprehensive to have a go at some of these sketches and also the project recipe pages. But if you just take out your photos, have a look at what you've got and what will fit with the actual sketch that you've been given, and just play around with it. Nothing's wrong. It's your page, and that's what I always tell my girls. Whatever you're happy with, it's your page. So when I start, I always pull out my photos, I lay them out, match up the colours that's going to fit with them, and then I just move them around and around and around until until you're happy with what you've ended up with. Hope you like the completed page that I did for the crop. The biggest thing that I always struggle with is when I see these sketches, I get a bit scared with how they're going to fit with my photos. They actually weren't that hard when you have a go. You've just got to have a go at it. I changed a few of the layouts so that way they fitted in with my page, and I always like to do double spreads so that you can actually see the whole page.